The Intense 5 on a different level tonight. Let's go, Ash. Rihanna sues her dad for using his last name on a product. So her beauty brand is Fenty, while her dad registered a company called Fenty Entertainment. I don't know what to think. Isn't it his surname?
Yeah, not him, she gets it from. Okay. Guess who's gonna be the face of the Super Bowl Pepsi commercial? Oh,
Hey.
yup, it's Cardi. I can't wait to see that.
Oh, joy.
Bringing vibes.
Oh, God. So Manga says he wasn't driving and the young lady who unfortunately died was actually a passenger in his car, not a minibus. We are really sorry for the loss. Manga, please get better soon.
Have to big up Sugar, who recently launched a non-profit organization bringing awareness to violence against women. Check her out on IG at FemPhenomenal and support. Big up Sugar.
Hey. And finally holding the spot this week. Everyone is talking about the ticket website for the Buju concert crashing. A mere minute into tickets going on sale. There were talks of fraudulent websites, tickets being sold out, lots of things. So we'll see what happens.
Listen, I was refreshing that page for like hours trying to get a ticket.
Nothing.
Crazy.
That's it for the Intense 5 this week. Remember to follow us on IG and Facebook at TVJ10.